guys, today we'll show you how to make a doll tuna frame mini doll. And I have my husband cut shoebox, some maybe can be yarns, some markers. You can use color tapes if you want, or if you want to put over there not visible tape or normal tapes. You can use over there or any kinds you like to be favored. Scissors and a broken napkin. First, and also I'm gonna net this how we're gonna hold it. And here we go. And also I'm gonna hold with these fingers, but I don't know how to hold it. But maybe I can choosing right there. This basket can help it to hold it. Okay. Okay, we'll start with this. And gotta cut over right there as your final. And cut as carefully and don't cut yourself. And also, it's a little bit tricky to put your tape on. And cut as the size. And cut your color tape. But you can use any colored, not normal tape or visible tape. That's look like tiny. Okay. Okay, when you're messed up a little, that'll be a more freaking nice. Okay. And also, and I messed up a little. If you get more safe, look like me, if you're same or different, that'll be okay. When you're messed up, wait, and after, if you're going to use this one, maybe if you want to pick up order, if you want to look like this, I finished the first one, and I will make your own. And also, I got an extra one. Okay. Okay, and I messed up, and you guys will be a fucking thing. If you want to do, is after, if you want to, and I'm making a new one, but it's a little bit hard to use. Okay. If you want to make your own one, just be careful yourself as you try. Okay. And after, if you got your ribbons to turn up, I use a completely smaller enough. Now mine's are thin, yeah, a little bit enough. And now you be careful, don't break it enough. Try to be careful. Okay. If you're getting a little bit cut enough, and when you're finished, cut it again. Then here we go. And your can's finished. If you want some accessories, use this. And after, if you want to use this one, completely, but it's a little bit hard to pick up, and it will make here. Oh, it's the phone. To make it to get it, to put the strings up, they become empty. That's a tricky part to get it up. Here we go. To make the empty one. Wait. And also I'm gonna use it over there. And then we're gonna clean up. And also I have to use to put my yarn up. But also, I have a soft yarn. If you got a soft yarn, if you don't have a soft yarn, you can use this for white. Maybe if you want to try. Okay. It feels a little bit longer as this size. If you're getting wrong, you can roll back and try again. Okay, I'll roll up a little bit. And after, if you want to finish up like this, you're gonna use this color and this color. You're gonna use this color first. Okay. 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 If you're done, maybe if you're sure about it, and if you get this color like this next, and color it to make a tuna, There we go. And put this can up here. And also put your top on. And also you can use this right now. You're gonna use after you're getting color I don't remember this color. After I gonna use, maybe I using for that color. Not this color. Maybe if I want to use a little bit harder, I can put it up. I'm choosing this one, but I can't remember up, but here it goes. That's I want. And roll up. I size this a little bit longer more. Cut it. And here we go. Yeah. And after is for the mini doll, if you're getting that one. And also, I put it up so carefully. And after. Okay. If you push as you can to put on your tuna. And mine are completely. And how about yours? Great! You can get completed. If you're finished, enjoy and play the mini dolls to fit a dollhouse. And even I have this one. I'm getting this. Enjoy your food as a tuna. And there's a tuna cup if you like the color. And I have two then. It's so yummy, and I have two. And also, finish up and put your pickup up. You have it. And finish and ready and finished. If you're finished enough, you can enjoy the mini dolls. For done. Alright everybody, enjoy your tuna. And I forgot something. My dollhouse. You can see my dollhouse, but it's made of cardboard, maybe. Yeah. And let me check it. And I'm gonna use these. And here we go. Here's my dollhouse. Okay. Oh, this room smells irresistible. Okay, and I have these. I'm still not finished. Look at those. And I have 5 rooms. This one will be the doors, the dead dragon, and these pillows. There'll be the over there. There'll be the bathroom. There'll be the kitchen. There'll be the living room. It's be a living room number 1. There'll be the game room over there. There'll be, but we get a coat like a bathroom. I'm gonna use over there, right there. And okay, I'm back. Arrived there as speed as I can. And thanks for watching. Bye and enjoy your tuna. If you get lost, play again for my video.